Hi all, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to create a smart form with one window, and inside that window I am going to display the address. Okay, so that address could be of the customer address. So in invoice you generally have seen that at the left side you can see the address where it needs to be shipped to. So let's see that how the address can be displayed in Smartforms. So I'm going to create one Z demo to Smartform. So here you can see by default the page and one main window has come. Okay, so like this is my main window. Now what I want is I want one window at the top left corner, okay, inside which we are going to display the address. So I'm going to, inside this page, I am going to click on create and window. Okay, so now you can see that percentage window one, new window one has come, and here the window type is already coming as secondary window. Okay, so this is my secondary window. For Windows detail you can refer to my another video. So here we all know what is secondary window. So and here inside this window, because I want to display the address, so just give a description that this is for address display window. Okay, now I want to give some like left margin, like where it should be located. So I want the upper margin to be 1,00. okay, left margin to be 1,00, the width and height to be 3 both. Okay, so just let's give these dimensions, and now you can see my window one has come here. This is my upper margin 1, this is my left margin 1, then width and height. Okay, so now what is our requirement is now is that I want to display some particular address here. So generally what we can do is we can write a select query. So let me save in local object. We can write a select query. So first thing is that we have to remember the table where the addresses are stored. So let's go to SC11, and the table is ADRC where all the addresses are saved. Okay, so I'm going to check the ADRC table. So here you can see we have address number, date from, nation to, these three combo as a primary key. So for a particular address number we have a unique address details. So if you go to the contents, see the contents of this table. Okay, so if we just click on execute, so you can see these are all address number, and corresponding to them we have addresses in the table ADRC. So this is the name 2, name 3, city. So what here SAP has provided in Smartform, that we just need to know the address number. Suppose we know that we have to display the address of address number, this one 0257. So what we are going to do is inside this window we want to display our address. So just hit on right click, create address. So you can see within this window our address one has now come. Okay, so now here we have 3 tabs: gendered attributes, output options, conditions. So let's go to the gendered attributes. So here you can see we have address number. So here we are going to just paste that address number for which we want to display the address. Okay, so now suppose for this particular address number I want to display the address. So now just save it and activate it and run it. So what I have done is that I just created one secondary window, and inside that I just hit on right click and create address, and then this screen came where we have to just give the address number. So this address number you should know, like that would be given by your project, or else we have to like. Okay, so this is saved. Now just execute. So like earlier what we are doing is that we were writing the select query to fetch all the details like name 1, name 2, name 3, city, state, pin code. So instead of writing the select query here in the smart form, we have just given the address number. And our entire these all details will be fetched and displayed. So this is taking a longer time, but if you execute it, you can see the address here in this window. So this is a very simple topic, creation of address. What we have to do is, okay, so like suppose here I have hard coded the address number, but like like here you can declare one variable for address number, and like based on the conditions you can, like there might be from some other table, like suppose from some another table you are fetching ADR number, so that logic also you can write, and then when the variable, and based on that variable's value our address will be fetched from table ADRC. So let me first execute this. So finally so again execute, and here just output device, and the sprint preview shows, like it gives a preview of how your output is going to look like. So now you can see the address from ADRC table is fetched here. So what we did, we just give the ADR number. Okay, so you can check here, like for 0257 we had those name 1, name 2, name 3, and this is IGS France Eric Bertoni. Okay, now there will be cases when the ADR number you have to fetch from some other table, so we will declare one variable for ADR number, and like from some other table we will fetch the ADR number in a variable, and then we are going to just write the variable name here. So how we give the variable name is through ampersand, like that. Okay, so I will make a detailed video for that in another video. So currently if we know the address number, then we can simply write the number here, and that will give our address. Like suppose if we know that our area number is 1594,